Here we have an exceptionally nice dining room set.
Who has it?
If you put too much weight on the wooden shelf, all this amount might cause damage.
Plates is very heavy, and because of that the shelf has bent.
If the wood on the back was rigid, we'd insert a square for stability. However, it turned out to be stone cardboard or thin plywood. If you're curious about how I fixed it, be sure to watch the upcoming video. The idea was to put 1 or 2 joists underneath that would hold the weight. So I went to a DIY center and looked in the shelving area where they sell these joists that are then used to put hooks on. They are used a lot in stores. These first ones were too thin and bent too much, but searching I found this one here that has the right width and thickness of the metal. And as you can see, it doesn't bend at all.
To be able to work, and although it is a little tedious, I emptied all the furniture, and although there were hardly any casualties in the end, something always falls out. I successfully removed the glass shelves with a plastic Phillips screwdriver in my hand.
And once everything is cleared, we can work.
By the way, the shelves cannot be removed, as they were assembled with the furniture. Shall we take measurements for the shelf? Additionally, we should cut the beam that we have bought, as accurate as possible, but with a couple of millimeters of slack. This is important. Stop it. May it then support well, as we will see. A little touch of lime and we see that it turned out well. Now we hold a shelf secured with wood screws that are 16 millimeters in length, so they don't cross it. First for him, medium. And now for the sides. And we see that with these screws, it's already gaining strength, as if to straighten the shelf. Here we observe extensively how the screwing process from beneath ultimately unfolded. We checked with this rule and we see that it's straight now. The bookcase. And with the rest of the beams, let's get some reinforcements.
For what, our bookshelf?
Keep holding on a long time. Wait. We securely fastened the 2 halves together, and here is the outcome we observe now.
This has come out super strong, and now if we want, we can...
Hanging a marrow's leg. If you liked the video,
I hope you like it.
subscribe to the channel and activate all notifications. And so you can see all the videos I upload. Greetings and see you in the next video.